Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to run a wine shop using Odoo. You can just get the leads from the CRM module. Upon moving on to the CRM module, you would be able to find the different leads which been generated over here. You can see I would like to choose one of the opportunity. The one which has been created over here, and that's the wine cellar bars opportunity. And you can see the expected revenue, the probability, and everything. And we can also just get the AI computed probabilities over here. So it's just 15.40%, and you can also find the contact details, a salesperson, and you can set the priority over here. You can also just set the expected closing of this and tags and everything. And under notes, you can find that we have the new wine bar wishing to propose varieties of natural wines. And under the contacts, you can provide the details over here, that such as the company informations, the contact informations, the marketing, the ownerships, and everything. So if you just want to create a new quotation for this, you can just create the quotation. So let's create a new quotation. So here you would be able to add the products. So upon searching for the product, you can see that we can easily add the items over here. So currently you can see that we don't have the quantity. So let's forcefully set the quantities over here. I would like to set the quantity over here as 100, and let me save it. And currently you can see that we have enough quantities over here. So afterwards, you can just confirm it, so that upon clicking on confirm, the quotation will be turning to a sales order, and you can just go ahead with further process. You can find the loyalty card with issued 16.2 as the loyalty points and everything. Now we can also deliver the golden dragon to the customer. That's a wine cellar bar, and let's click on validate, and we have just done with the delivery. Now to create the invoice, we can easily create the invoice, which will be a regular invoice, and you can just do it from here. And once it's done, if you just want to register for the payment, you can click on pay, and you can see that this would register the payment. And after the reconciliation has been done and it's in paid. Now let's move on to the wine store over here, and you can see the order which has been generated. Now upon moving on to the different stage, you can see it will be doing, and it's won, and we can say that it's a deal. And if you are running with a meeting and everything, you can see everything over here. So you can see that the leader opportunity has been created, and the stage has been changed, and it has just turned into one stage, and it's due in 7 days, like call leads to discuss needs and everything. So let's mark it as 10, and once it's 10, you can just set it over here. Now you can also manage the wine stores from the POS modules. Upon moving on to the point of sale, here you can see that we have the wine shop. So upon clicking on open, if a customer would love to purchase the items from here, like if they want to purchase something like such as the wines and everything, they can just do it. So you can see you have still 3 open orders for the next few days, and you can click on open. You will be able to see the items, and let's add different items over here. So you can find the region, as this contains the variants. You can also just manage it over here. Like you can just go ahead with the colors, or the vineyard, the grape variety, the vintage region, and everything. So upon clicking on add, this would add different items over here. So you would be able to see we have just added the wines. And let's move on to the wine section. And upon moving on to the wine section, that only shows the wines in this category, and you can add any particular notes or the quantities and everything. You can see the loyalty point which has been applied, and upon clicking on payment, you can choose the payment method. It can be card or customer account or cash. If you just need to print the invoice, you can also just go ahead and click on validate, so that you can see that we will be confirming the order and will be making the payment from here, and we have just done with it. And we can see that we have an attractive invoice over here with all the details, such as the ticket, the date, the time, and served by, and with the name of the customer, as well as the details of the items which were purchased. And if the customer would like to make the payment using the QR, they can also just do it. Now you can also just the customers could also purchase these wines from the websites. So let's close the register right now. So after closing the register, So if you just need to manage anything, you can just do it over here. So let me try to close this and let's move on. Let's register. So it's back and and it's back. And afterwards, when you just move on to the back end, you can see that we have the uh, website. So in the website also we can just manage with uh, the wine. So before moving on to it, let's move on to the products. You can just move on to the products over here. So upon moving on to the product sections, you would be able to see the different wines over here, and you can see that certain wines contains variants. So variants are the like the it can be with the product category as wine. It can be the wine with different colors. It can be red, rose, white, or anything, or with the region or anything, and you can just configure it over here. So upon choosing this, you can, if you just want to add any extra prices and everything, you can just do it from here. Now, what you have to do is we can also purchase this from the website. So currently, if we want to just build a new website for the wines, here you can see that we have an attractive website where we can find the items such as the wine, whispering pines, enchant wines, lost secret, the golden dragon, and everything. And if you just want to find the juniper enigma and starlight, you can see it over here. So I would like to purchase this, so let me choose it. So this is currently out of stock, so we just need to get notified when this is back. So let's provide the email. So let me provide my email over here, and upon clicking on send, once the product is back in stock, we'll be getting the details. So here, let's back to the products, and in the products, you can see that as we just move on to the product, here we have the section such as the sales. Okay, so under the sales, we can see that we have the e-commerce shop. So currently, this is available on all website, as we haven't restricted this with a particular website. If you want to provide any particular tags, you can also just do it. And currently, this is published in the website. So if you don't want to publish this in the website, you can just untoggle this, and upon toggling this, you can see that currently it's published in the website, and you can find the website sequence and the categories, and sell. You can also sell this product even if it's out of stock. And if you just want to show any button over here, you can just set it as sale, and you can see I mean, we can also show the available quantity if it's below 5, and if we just want to show out of stock messages, we can also just set it over here. Under the general information, if you just want to update the quantity over here to 1000, you can also just do it, and currently you can see that we have enough quantities. And upon moving on to the website, you can see currently this item is available, and you can find the price. And if you just want to add this into the cart, we can just add it, and we can easily purchase this item from the website. And upon moving on with pay with demo, we can just do the payment, and we can currently we have just made the order for the item. So it's very easy to manage the wine shop using the Odoo19. And you can simply move on here and easily just manage everything from here. And we know basically we use a inventory management to keep the items in the warehouses. So you can see that we have the warehouse over here to manage with the wine. So it's been given as my company, and the address is my wine vendor. And you would be able to see the items in the warehouse locations. So if you just want to manage with the items with a particular location, you can also easily identify it over here. So currently you can see that as you just move on here, upon moving on to the quantities, you can also easily find the locations into which this product is storing. And you can also easily find the available quantities, the outgoing quantities, and the quantity which been used by, and which all orders and everything. So if you just want to stock the items, that's the wine, you can easily purchase the items by choosing the vendor. So let's say the vendor is ready made, and I would like to purchase the wine over here. Okay, so it's not available. You can just get into the catalog, and from the catalog here, upon removing the ready made, you would be able to find the items. So let me add the items that I just want to add into my uh purchase order lines, and let's back to the quotation. So let's back and let's purchase the item, and you can just get the item to my company receipts, and let's confirm the order. And upon clicking on receive the item, that will be received to our inventory, and you can see in the inventory you can find all the details, such as the in the reporting you would be able to see the stocks which been added, and you can find the stocks which been added over here. Currently you can see the on hand quantity of each of the items, and likewise you can also get to know the locations to which it's been added. And as you just drag down here, you can find the items such as the inventorized quantities, the reserved quantities, and everything. And you can also easily get the move analysis, the move histories, and everything from here. So it is very easy to manage or run a wine shop using Odoo19. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.